Right after running it yesterday, I did get hot, so I'm going to check the thermostat. Yeah, right. Maybe that radiator might need a flush yet. What do you reckon? Yeah, let's get this out so we can go get one from somewhere. We did have spark, but I don't know if the fuel pump's going to do that relay. I don't know if it's meant to stay on. But let's see what happens. We'll give her a couple turns of the key. No. Right, well, we had power, but there was nothing on there, on the green and the brown there, and I didn't have power there at all. So I disconnected the computer, ECU, whatever you want to call it. I disconnected it, and then the smart lock light come on and off, and I had power back here. So I'm just cleaning the injectors a bit. I'm chucking them back on. I'll chuck this back together because I've got nothing coming out of them. We'll see what happens. Alright, so we've done our clean, and now I for some reason have power back there, so we'll give it a whirl and see what happens. We might have a couple of them coming alive. Alright, we'll put it back together. Alright, so after all that, then I'll disconnect the ECU, whatever you want to call it. Seemed to have maybe done the trick. So, just prime her up a little bit and see what happens. Oh! 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 She's alive! Yes! What a ripper! Alright boys, we had a few dramas. Fuel tank rusted, bloody hell. Couldn't get any fuel ejectors. Ended up unplugging the computer. Anyway. She lives. That's the service sticker. 2012. So I reckon this thing hasn't turned a wheel for 10 years. She's a goer. Look. Happy days, eh? She's a goer. Just chuck her on the hoist down here at work. We'll go over a few things. First time I've been under here. Not a bad exhaust system. The grass. Rubbers and that don't look too bad. Go over it and give a few things a grease, give her an oil change. Cool. Oh. Bloody chuck out of the road. Yep. All these sway bar rubbers and everything been done. Cool. Happy days. Awesome. Let's get into it. Get back together. I need to get the GoPro going again. We are a goer. She works. Cool.